Hey there, freezer enthusiasts. Today, we've rounded up the best 10 chest freezers to make your frozen food storage a breeze. Number 1. Igloo 3.5 CU. Featuring chest freezer, white. Compact and efficient, Igloo's 3.5 CU. FT. A chest freezer in white is perfect for smaller spaces. It features a removable basket and a convenient front defrost water drain for easy maintenance. Pros. Space-efficient design, easy-to-use front defrost water drain. Cons. Limited storage capacity. Number 2. Midea MRC070S0AWW 7.0 CU. Featuring chest freezer, white. Offering a generous 7.0 cubic feet of storage, Midea's chest freezer is a spacious option suitable for kitchens and apartments. The adjustable temperature settings provide control over the freezing environment. Pros. Ample storage space, adjustable temperature settings. Cons. Higher price point. Number 3. Kismile 7.0 CU. FT. Chest freezer, black. Sleek and stylish in black, Kismile's 7.0 CU. FT. Chest freezer is a versatile addition to any space with its top open door and adjustable temperature. Pros. Stylish design, versatile usage for home, kitchen, office, or bar. Cons. Limited color options. Number 4. Northair 3.5 CU featuring chest freezer, black. The Northair 3.5 CU featuring chest freezer in black is a quiet and compact freezer with 2 removable baskets and 7 temperature settings. Providing flexibility for various frozen items. Pros. Quiet operation, multiple temperature settings. Cons. Limited storage space. Number 5. iSPECLE Chest Freezer Organizer 4-pack, white. Overview. iSPECLE offers an organizational solution with a 4-pack of stackable chest freezer organizer bins in white. Perfect for most 7 CU. FT freezers, these bins come with handles for easy access. Pros. Stackable design for efficient use of space. Handles for easy access. Cons. Limited to specific freezer sizes. Number 6. R.W.FLAME Chest Freezer 3.5 CU. FT. Black. R.W.FLAME presents a 3.5 CU. Fort chest freezer in black with 2 removable baskets and a defrost water drain. It's energy efficient, adjustable, and boasts a top open door for easy access. Pros. Energy saving design, adjustable temperature settings. Cons. Limited color options. Number 7. Hamilton Beach 10 CU. Featuring chest freezer, white. Hamilton Beach brings you a spacious 10 CU. FT. Chest freezer in white with an adjustable thermostat. Removable coated wire basket, and an easy defrost drain. Ideal for large storage needs. Pros. Ample storage capacity, adjustable thermostat for precise temperature control. Cons. Larger footprint may be challenging for small spaces. Number 8. EUHOMY 3.5 CU. FT Chest Freezer, black. Overview. EUHOMY offers a compact 3.5 CU. FT chest freezer in black, featuring a removable basket and 7 adjustable thermostat settings. Perfect for apartments, garages, and basements. Pros. Compact size for versatile placement. Adjustable thermostat for customized freezing. Cons. Limited storage space. Number 9. DEMULLER chest freezer small, white. DEMULLER presents a small and efficient chest freezer in white, equipped with 2 removable baskets and a digital control panel accurate to 1. Perfect for homes, garages, and basements. Pros. Digital control panel for precise temperature adjustment. Compact design for small spaces. Cons. Limited storage capacity. Number 10. Keg 5.0 CU featuring top chest freezer, white. Overview. Keg introduces a top chest freezer with 5.0 cubic feet of storage, an adjustable thermostat, and a removable storage basket. An excellent freezing machine for home and kitchen needs. Pros. Adjustable thermostat for temperature control. Ample storage capacity. Cons. May be larger than necessary for some users. There you have it. The top 10 chest freezers, each with its unique features, advantages, and potential drawbacks. Choose the one that best fits your freezing needs and available space.